Unlock your potential. The power of public speaking. How many times have you dreamt of sharing your ideas with the world, of inspiring others with your words? But then that little voice creeps in, the voice of doubt, of fear. Let me tell you something. That voice? It's a liar. Public speaking is a skill, a muscle you can develop. In this video, we'll shatter those limiting beliefs, equip you with tools to craft compelling speeches, and empower you to own the stage. Whether you're stepping onto a stage for the first time or aiming to captivate a boardroom, the techniques you'll learn today will elevate your communication skills. Get ready to unleash your inner voice, to command attention, to inspire action. Are you ready to unleash it? Conquer your fear, turning anxiety into excitement. Let's face it, that feeling in your stomach before you speak, it's real. But here's the secret. It doesn't have to control you. Fear is a natural human response, a primal instinct. But you, my friend, are not a cave dweller facing a saber-toothed tiger. That fear, it's just your body trying to protect you. But safe won't change the world. So how do we turn that fear into fuel? First, breathe. Deep diaphragmatic breaths. Oxygenate your brain, slow your heart rate, visualize yourself succeeding, see it, feel it, own it. Hear the applause, the cheers, the impact of your words. Flood your mind with positive affirmations. I am powerful. I am confident. I am here to make a difference. Every great speaker you admire started where you are right now. They felt the fear, and they did it anyway. And so can you. Crafting your message. Building a speech that sticks. Now that you've tamed the beast within, let's build a speech that captivates and inspires. Think of yourself as an architect, and your speech is your masterpiece. Start with a strong foundation, your outline. What's the one key message you want your audience to walk away with? Structure your speech like a story. A compelling beginning, a middle that builds momentum, and an ending that leaves them wanting more. People connect with stories. They remember stories. Weave your message into narratives. Use anecdotes. Paint vivid pictures with your words. Inject your personality and passion into every sentence. When you speak from the heart, your audience will feel it, and that's when the magic happens. Chapter 3. Connecting with your crew. Turning the audience into your allies. You've conquered your fear. You've crafted a killer speech. Now it's showtime. But remember, public speaking is not a one-way street. It's a conversation, a connection, a shared experience between you and your audience. Your goal is to make them feel seen, heard, understood. Eye contact is key. Look into the eyes of your audience members one by one. Make them feel like you're speaking directly to them. Ask questions, engage their minds, spark their curiosity. A simple, "Can you relate?" or "Have you ever felt this way?" can create an instant bond. Don't underestimate the power of humor. A well-placed joke can break the ice and make you more relatable. Authenticity is key. Let your natural charisma shine through. When you're genuine, your audience will feel it, and that's when the real connection happens. Chapter 4. Body language speaks volumes, unleashing the power of nonverbal communication. Here's a secret. Your words only tell part of the story. Your body language, your gestures, your facial expressions, they speak volumes. Think of yourself as a conductor, and your body is your orchestra. Every movement, every gesture should be purposeful, adding depth and emphasis to your message. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up. Project confidence with your posture. Use your hands to emphasize key points. Let your facial expressions mirror your words. Smile when you're sharing something positive. Furrow your brow when you're making a serious point. Vary your pitch and tone. Speak with passion and conviction. Pause for emphasis. Use your body language and voice modulation to create a symphony of communication that resonates with your audience. Chapter 5. Practice makes perfect, refining your craft and owning the stage. You've got the tools, you've got the techniques, now it's time to put in the work. Public speaking requires practice. The more you practice, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Record yourself speaking. Watch it back, critique yourself. Where can you improve? What feels natural? What feels awkward? Join a public speaking group. There's no better way to refine your skills than by getting feedback from others. Every time you step onto that stage, it's an opportunity to grow and learn. Embrace the journey. Celebrate your progress, because the world needs your voice. Outro. Unleash your inner speaker. The time to take action is now. Today, we've embarked on a journey to unlock the power within you, the power of your voice. We've tackled fear, crafted compelling speeches, learned how to connect with our audience and command the stage, but knowledge without action is meaningless. So here's your call to action. Start practicing today. Find an opportunity to share your voice, no matter how small. Host at a family dinner, volunteer to present at work, join a public speaking group. Every time you speak, you build confidence, refine your skills, and step closer to your full potential. Remember, the world is waiting to hear what you have to say. Step into your power, embrace your voice. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's create a movement of confident, impactful speakers together.